This 2015 Holiday Rambler Vacationer 3.6 DBT is a Class A RV. It is located in Longs, South Carolina 29568 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV North Myrtle Beach. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Holiday Rambler is 37 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 4, Slideout, and 85 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bath and a half, rear bath. This 2015 Holiday Rambler Vacationer 3.6 DBT is built on a Ford chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.